Kalian mau lihat sekolahku? Ini cuplikannya.
Welcome to BIM Preschool Field Tour Open House. Before starting our Field Tour Open House tour, I would like to remind that this is an interactive video. So, make sure to watch until the end of this video to know more about the detail of our program. Are you ready? Come and follow me. Here, we are at a new lobby area. This lobby will be used for our student routine activities, such as brain gym, and this is preschool classroom. Let's go to our reading corner. Now, let's go to our Montessori facility. This is our Montessori facility. And now, let's head up to the happiest place for the kids, indoor playground. With the indoor playground area, then let's head to the outdoor playground. Here are several activities at outdoor playground. Climbing wall, sand and water area. Now, let's head to the last destination for the tour, swimming pool. this is the final destination for the field tour today. Do you enjoy the tour? If you want to know us better, especially our school program or how these facilities enhance our students' learning experience, you may click on the link here. School program, school facilities, and demo class. See you there!